Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today let's inspect this Beko machine. The model is WMY81283LMB2. So the spider got a little bit worn out after years of use. This is my coaster making that sound. Yep, it makes sound. It's so worse. But if I spin my hand, there's nothing wrong, but the spider is a little bit worn out. It needs replacing. Alright, so the spider just worn out a little bit. Also, it cannot be good on that Beko machine. And yeah, I need spider replacement. Let me see. Okay. Yep, it sounds not good. It sounds unhealthy. Alright, so let's do a service mode to see how it's. Let me to inspect that. How it's going over. Alright, let me just spin how it's doing to see if it's still working or not. Because it's still like going nuts. The spider just going a little bit worn out. Let me see how it's going. Alright, let me see. Just completely normal, but a little bit rapid. Alright, let's see how it's going to do at the spin up to 200 to see if it's still going or not. Okay, let me see. Alright, watch how the drum was rapid. You can see that there's a rapid drum. Also, the spider just need replacing because it's a little bit worn out. Just one spider arm that just broke it. Only one. You can see it's a little bit unbalanced, but there's no load. So I'm making sure that, yeah, as you can see, it's spinning up to 200 RPM. There's no broken, but still broke a little bit. Alright, let me turn off. The slowdown is completely normal, but the spider's a little bit worn out. So yeah, the spider just needs replacing. As you can see, the drum is rapid. It has dents, scratches, and need replacing. That's why. You can see a little bit unbalanced, but there's no load. So yeah, absolutely broken a little bit. Absolutely broken a little bit. But it includes two only problems, the spider and the drum. The drum has scratches, dents, as you can see on this side, because it's broken. Yep, it's broken. Drum need replacing, but with the exact same model. Also, spider need replacing too, but just a little bit worn out of the spider. Spider need replacing too. So I'm going to make sure that I need to buy a new drum for the Beko machine that it's broken. It has dents, cracks, and scratches. As you can see that there's dents on that side. Yep, it's broken. Yep, spider just a little bit worn out. As you can see, dents on the drums. Dents on the drums. Also, there's dents on here. Dents on here. There's dents, another dent on here. Also, there's a little bit rusty. Also, there's dents on there. There are dents, and dents. That's so many dents. Yo, there's many scratches. Need replacing the drum. So yeah, it need replacing. That's why. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So yeah. Anyways, see you later, and goodbye.